Welcome and welcome back. It's your Jamaican friend here again, once more, to do a reaction to someone I've never heard of before, I've never seen before. I haven't seen anyone in my country talks about these type of people, but on this reaction, I'll be reacting to a Japanese band, which goes by the name of BAND-MAID. Note briefly, I know nothing at all about these people. I'm not capable to know anything about them because it's my first time. So, I came across them because I've seen one of my YouTube friends, doing a reaction to them, and I decided that I want to check them out as well because I can see the fire, I can see the activity that has been taking place when she's reacting to them. But I want to know more. I want to go in depth within them, right? So people, I'll be reacting to Thrill music video done by BAND-MAID. So without further ado, people, let's see what these bands or group of people is up to. Take a walk with me. I'll be right back. Peace.
Breaking new gate.
Whoa. The energy, the vibe is totally on point. I think I'm in love with these bands already. I'm in love because I've done a lot of reaction to bands, especially the Ramstein. Those people are dope. And I haven't heard of a Japanese bands before. Guys, this must be something exquisite. Let's continue.
つまらないのいつか聞けすようにイヤフォンの音が出奴らが転ぶ隙狙ってる Hey you 聞かせるわいつだってそうこの世界は 4D 立ち止まったら後ほど暴走気味とのなされても I don't get
Whoa. These women are killing it. And it's a band filled with women. Right? I haven't seen that in my entire life. I haven't seen that before. Every time I meet up on a band choir or a band's team, right? It's a group of people mixed. Man and woman mixed. Right? I haven't seen straight women in a band before. This is quite amazing, people. Whoa. Let's continue. Are killing it. I mean, like the guitar, I'm not really sure what type of guitar is that, but I think it's a rock and roll guitar. This woman is killing it. She's dope in it. Damn. This band is sick.
見たくもない光景ばかり視覚に閉じ込め小さな空に声がハートを読み上げるわもがいたってそりゃルーステイビー自己暗示しても後ほど
It's just pure fire. Everything just so flammable right now. The heat, the intense heat of the bands. that these women are really playing with. This is abnormal. I haven't seen this it's my very first time even seeing these type of things. That is the reason why I would like to explore more, to react to more, to bring in more, because music is joy, music is life. And this woman music is literally giving life. It is a joyful moment to sit and listen to these people. It's my first time and I'm feeling so happy, I'm feeling so thrilled. Just like how the song has its name, Thrill. That's the way I'm feeling right now. I'm feeling thrilled with it. Complete package.
涙じゃ救われないならもう enjoy 味わえ I'm gonna be on my way 答えのない恐怖は狂気に変えればいい Just breaking new gate 真っ白に消されたページは破り捨てろ覚悟の先へとスリルとともに身を捧げて
Whoa, that's amazing. That's amazing. That's amazing. This is surely a band that people literally remember because it's literally rock and rolling, man. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Whoa. To be honest, someday I would really like to go some of these shows because in Jamaica we really don't really have a bands like a rock and roll bands. But if you guys do familiar with Bob Marley, you guys will know about Bob Marley and the Wailers. Yeah. I'm from that country. Yeah, Jamaica. Right? That's the only time I've seen bands in Jamaica. Really? Right? Rock and roll bands. But otherwise, we're not really familiar with any big major international bands that our country will take part in. Right? Marvelous. Just marvelous. Guys, that rollover is sick as hell, man. Damn. Whoa, these women are well professionally trained. Damn. 暴走気味とのなされても I don't get 踏み出せ I gotta be on my way またいらない道に興味は見当たらないの Just breaking new gate 後悔という陰謀のものでかいくぐってこの上ない快感が私を走らせる覚悟の先へとスリルとともに身を捧げて Whoa, this is what we call rock and roll, right? A job well done, right? Guys, I enjoyed every bit of this performance. It gives me the vibes. I feel like I want to do more, but I'll tell you what, if you guys reach thus far in this reaction, please state the next song that I should react to next for the BAND-MAID bands. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time around. Peace.